Hey y'all, this is Latanya. I didn't get a chance to do like an official YouTube video, but I just want to explain some things about my channel. I'm going to try to post some more videos in 2020, but my channel is basically a hair and beauty channel because I am a hairstylist. And I'm gonna tell you some stuff about myself. I've been doing hair since I was licensed at 18. But I went to beauty school at 18. I received my cosmetology license at 19. And I've been doing hair in a salon. I want to say coming up September will be 28 years. And I guess since I'm saying 28 years, I'm telling my age. But I am 48 years old. But I always wanted to do hair, so I ended up going to beauty school. So once I was about, I think maybe like 35, I found out about something called salon suites. So when I found out about the salon suites, I ended up go and get a salon suite. So when I got the salon suite, it was perfect for me because I'm in there by myself. My clients get like a VIP experience, which they like that I'm in a suite by myself. They don't have like no other people in a salon suite. And speaking of, I will do a video based on like the difference between like a salon suite and probably like an actual beauty salon, because I do want to help other stylists, like up and coming hairstylists and stuff like that. But my channel is not just going to be about that. My channel is also going to be about giving people tips on their hair, how to keep their hair healthy, and other professional tips that could either help somebody or whatever, things that you may be looking for and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what my channel is basically going to be about. But I also like to eat healthy, and I also like to work out, go to the gym. I might incorporate some of that in my channel. I'm not really sure if I'm going to do that or not right now, but I want my channel to be focused on mainly like hair and beauty stuff. But if you want me to incorporate some of that, just comment below and I'll take that in consideration. But yeah, I'm trying to stick to like hair and beauty. I also love fashion. I love to dress. I love to shop. So if you ever follow me on any of my social media, Instagram, Facebook, then you also see that about me as well too. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to do more videos. Right now I'm doing this video while I'm sitting in my car before I go into the mall. But I have to get like some professional equipment because I am going to try to focus more on my YouTube channel in 2020. But I have to get some more professional equipment because I started the channel in 2012, but I was just posting like videos and doing voiceovers. But I'm gonna try to do like more in front of the camera type stuff or whatever like that. And what else I could say? I'm not a makeup artist, but I do like to buy makeup because when I do go places, I like to, play in makeup every now and then and stuff like that. So I buy lots of makeup. So I might try to do like some makeup stuff, just showing me trying to learn how to do my makeup because like I said, I'm not a makeup artist, but I like to play in makeup. So whatever you guys would like to see, comment below. And like I said, I will take that into consideration when I'm making videos for my channel. And I'm just going to think about other things that I could probably, post on my channel because I do want to be more active on YouTube because this is also a part of my social media and stuff like that. But like I said, I'm going to try to do more videos to help out up and coming hairstylists. I will also do probably like some tutorials for people who are not hairstylists, but teach y'all a little something or whatever. But yeah, so if you follow me on social media, I appreciate it. If you don't follow me on social media, check out my Instagram at Glam Sweet Salon, and also Facebook. Same thing, Glam Sweet Salon on Facebook. But yeah, so I'm just trying to do this little quick video so I could post it to my YouTube. Like I said, I have to get more professional equipment and stuff like that so I can make these videos right, y'all. So yeah, so that's basically it. I'm trying to think about what else I can say. Oh, the stuff that I did post on my channel, as you know, I do have hair products that I make because I am a healthy hair specialist. I'm a weave specialist also, and I posted some product videos. I also sell hair, so you will also see that I posted a video with me wearing like the blowout texture hair extensions that I sell, that I also make units with and stuff like that. So yeah, you can see that also. But I'm gonna try to post, like I said, most stuff that'll help out hairstylists and, you know, everybody else, like some professional tutorials that I'll do. And it's mainly like I can't really think of stuff offhand, but like relaxers, like applying, if you do relax your hair, because everybody is natural nowadays, but if you do relax your hair, I'll do like proper techniques on how to do it, how often to do it, and stuff like that to help you out. So like I said, I'm just trying to do an introduction and stuff like that to let you know that I am Latanya, and I will be posting more to my channel in 2020. I have to get all my equipment together so the videos can look professional. So yes, so check me out. And as always, thanks for watching. I forgot to add in the video, so I'm adding this extra clip. Do y'all want me to make like story time videos? And if you want to see some story time videos, comment below on what you would like me to tell in a story time video, such as, like, for example, business info. Would you like me to tell more about myself in the story time videos? And if so, what would you like to know? And what else I could think of, because I'm trying to do, like, I ain't gonna say no more personal stuff, because I'm not gonna really put like my personal life per se in the videos on YouTube. I am married, but I'm trying to like stick to keeping the videos, you know, about me or whatever. But I'm just trying to figure out what would you all like my videos to mainly be about, so I could try to incorporate that into my channel, because like I said, I will take that into consideration, because if y'all gonna be watching these videos, I want to do stuff that you all want to see. So with that being said, thanks again for watching. Subscribe to the channel. This is a little intro video that I'm doing in my car before I go in this mall. But yes, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I will be posting more videos in 2020. And as always, thanks